Avoid bananas if you suffer from these 5 health problems. Yes, bananas are a globally beloved fruit known for its natural sweetness, ease of consumption, and impressive health benefits. Packed with essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and fiber, bananas contribute to a well balanced diet for many people. They are great for boosting energy levels, improve your digestive health, and even enhance your mood. However, while bananas are generally considered a healthy choice, they may not be suitable for everyone. Some individuals may need to avoid bananas or limit their consumption due to specific health issues. Now, in this video today, we will take a deep dive into 5 health problems where bananas could cause more harm than good, and why you might want to reconsider this inclusion in your diet. So, if you suffer from these conditions, now what are those conditions? Let's talk about it. The number one is diabetes and high blood sugar levels. Bananas are often considered a healthy fruit, but for those with diabetes or individuals who are struggling to control their blood sugar, bananas could be a less than ideal option. So, why it can be problematic? Bananas are rich in carbs, that's carbohydrates, especially sugars like fructose and glucose, which can lead to spike in blood glucose levels. While bananas contain fiber that can help regulate the blood sugar, the natural sugars in ripe bananas might still raise blood sugar more significantly compared to other fruits. Now, the glycemic index (GI) of a banana can vary depending on its ripeness. A green, unripe bananas have a lower GI because it contains resistant starch, but as bananas ripen, their starch turns into sugar, leading to a higher glycemic index. So, what you can do if you have diabetes, opt for a smaller, less ripe bananas and try to combine them with other foods that can stabilize blood sugar levels. Always consult with your healthcare provider or a dietitian about the right choices for your health condition. Number two, kidney disease or impaired kidney function. Yes, kidneys play a vital role in regulating levels of potassium in the body. For individuals suffering from kidney disease, consuming too much potassium can exacerbate symptoms and can lead to dangerous complications. Why it can be problematic? Bananas are high in potassium. One medium sized banana contains approximately 400 to 450 mg of potassium. This mineral is essential for various bodily functions, but when kidney function is impaired, the kidneys may not be able to remove excess potassium effectively. Hyperkalemia, high potassium levels, can result in severe complications such as irregular heart rhythms, muscle weakness, and even heart failure. So, what you can do if your kidney disease or impaired kidney function, it's crucial to limit your intake of potassium rich foods, including the bananas. You should discuss a safe diet plan with your healthcare provider that takes into account your professional, that is, your potassium needs as well. Number three is acid reflux and GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. Bananas are often considered a good choice for those with digestive issues. But for certain individuals, they can actually trigger acid reflux or worsen the symptoms of GERD. What can be problematic? For some people, bananas can lead to a feeling of bloating or increased acid production in the stomach. While bananas are generally non-acidic and soothing to the stomach lining, they can cause discomfort for or worsen the acid reflux symptoms in susceptible individuals. Now, the fiber in bananas, particularly in unripe bananas, may also contribute to bloating and gas in some people with digestive sensitivities. Now, what you can do? So, if you suffer from acid reflux or GERD, it might be beneficial to monitor your body's reaction to bananas. So, if you experience heartburn, bloating, or other symptoms after consuming the bananas, try cutting back or avoid them. Opt for other food that are less likely to trigger the acid reflux, such as melons or apples. Number four, if you have allergies to bananas or latex fruit syndrome. Some people have allergies to certain foods, such as bananas, and they are no exception. The phenomena known as latex fruit syndrome links sensitivity to latex with allergic reactions to bananas, as well as other fruits like avocados, chestnuts, and kiwis. Why it can be problematic? Bananas contain proteins that are similar to those found in natural latex. For individuals with latex allergies, eating bananas can cause an immediate allergic reactions. Symptoms include itching or swelling of the mouth, lips, throats, or face, difficulty in breathing, or gastrointestinal distress. Now, what you can do? If you have a latex allergy, it's important to avoid bananas and other foods that could trigger reaction. So if you suspect you have a banana allergy or latex fruit syndrome, consult with an allergist for proper testing and advice on how to manage your condition. Number 5. Migraines and sensitivity to thiamarine. Migraines are a neurological condition characterized by severe, recurring headaches. Some people with migraines may be sensitive to certain foods, and bananas may be one of them, the culprits. Why it can be problematic? Bananas contain a naturally occurring substance called as thiamarine. Thiamine is known to trigger migraines in some people, especially those who are sensitive to it. While bananas are not considered a primary migraine trigger for most people, they may exacerbate the symptoms in those who are particularly sensitive. Now, what you can do? If you suffer from migraines, consider tracking your 4 triggers to determine if bananas are contributing to your symptoms. If you notice a connection between banana consumption and an onset of headaches, it may be best to avoid them. Now, the conclusion goes like this. So, while bananas offer an array of health benefits to your body, they are not suitable for everybody, especially for individuals with certain health conditions. If you have diabetes, kidney disease, acid reflux, latex allergy, or migraine, it is important to consider whether bananas could be exacerbating your symptoms or putting your health at risk. So be staying informed and mindful of how your body responds to certain foods. You can enjoy a balanced, nutritious diet that support your overall well-being. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and do like to this video as well. Thanks for watching.